Hey kids, and welcome back to using this $80 cheap satellite, I guess. So yeah. Now, I haven't actually installed anything past Windows 7 on this thing, so I thought I'd change that. Okay, well, I actually have, but not on camera. This is a copy of Windows 8.0. Just totally legit. Yeah. Now, I already have a Windows 8 partition on here, but I also have a kind of fuck around partition, let's just say. So, where I can, fuck around and install software. So, yeah. That's what we're going to be using today. So, yay. So I'm going to go into this little boot menu. Okay, so, whip. So now we're going to boot into our little DVD here. And yes, we're back to this old handheld format, I guess. Listen, you're gonna have to get used to this, okay? I'm sorry, but it's the truth. Well, but it's gonna be pretty tiring to hold the camera like this. But, whatever. Okay. There we go. So there we go. Setup is starting. Okay, enter the product key to activate Windows. Oh boy, we need this, don't we? Alright, so I think set the license terms. Let's just go with that. Custom. I'm gonna go along with this fuck around partition, and I really do not want to hold the camera for the entirety of this little process. Okay, I've come up with this little thing, so yeah, so I'm just going to put it on the floor for now, and I'm just going to do this, okay? Beep. And there we go. It's off. Okay, personalize. Well, I'll make it purple because I like this purple, and the PC name I'll be giving it Tosh. It's the name I usually give this computer. We'll just use the express settings, sign into your PC. Okay, there you go, finalizing your settings. Let's start. Yay! And here we are. Start. And yeah, here we are. Very nice flowers. Very nice daisies there. And yeah. And of course, this is Windows 8.0, so that means, yeah, no start button. But yeah, cool. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.